Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm dancing my head back and forth, side to side, but no, seriously.
I told you not to sell.
Welcome. Cybl, Cyberlux Corp, sitting at 0031. Like I said before, all of this is overreaction. Let it come down. Buy nice and cheap. You're getting it cheaper. You're literally getting it at 50% off from where I'm at 007s. I'm not concerned one bit. We know that one catalyst, this thing goes back to 007s and above easily. It did it back when it was in CE. Imagine when the hype comes back. This is not ILIS. This is not AITX. It does not have an overly bloated share structure. This is one of the best OTC stocks that I've covered. But you're going to have to be patient with it. The stock market, yes, it pumped, but if you haven't noticed, we're pulling back. So I would expect for us to go sideways here. I don't know what would have happened if we didn't go into a bear market, but keep in mind this whole drop here. I mean, everything dropped, right? So this is a buy. That's all I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet. This is a buy. We did get an update today. A busy week in Texas for our UAS division, and I see what I believe to be a bunch of drones in a warehouse. Interesting. You need to do something about all the outstanding shares over 6 billion. I don't think their outstanding shares is a big issue. OTC markets, like. It's not, it can move, it's just not getting any volume right now because there's nothing. We know how OTC stocks move. They move on a catalyst. Without that, it just kind of moves on its own, up and down, and goes nowhere really for the most part. That's how all OTCs are. They kind of just go nowhere. They find a bottom somewhere, they just go nowhere, and then the volume comes in and it pumps again. Rinse and repeat. Outstanding shares 6 billion. Yeah, no, there's nothing here. What are you talking about? This was updated yesterday as well. So I don't know what the complaint is about. This is fine for OTC. This is fine. The fact that they haven't diluted, I want you to think about this. The fact that they have not diluted and brought the outstanding shares to 10 billion like us, like AITX. The fact that they've been able to keep it there is good enough for me. The fact that they don't need to constantly raise the outstanding shares, I think that speaks volumes. So not concerned about it. It does not bother me at all. Why do we have AITX up here? AITX, ladies and gentlemen. So now I don't know why people think this is like the worst thing they've ever seen, but let me look up at what the people are saying. What are the people saying? Interesting. What is this? What am I reading? I don't know who that's just a. I don't know what this is. I don't know how to interpret this. But bullish on it regardless. I don't know why anyone would bet against America, let alone bet against specifically the Department of Defense. And the future of war is going to be drones, as we've seen, unfortunately. Let's see what else. Yeah, the outstanding shares went down. I noticed that as well, but I didn't want to mention it because I was like, am I crazy? Wasn't the outstanding shares at 6.9 billion? Wasn't it close to 7 billion? Or am I crazy? I also thought that crossed my mind, but I didn't want to say anything because I'm like, I don't know for sure. Because I don't keep track of this one like I used to. I used to keep track of it religiously, and that I would know exactly what the authorized and outstanding shares are. But I don't remember. But wasn't it at like 6.9? And I think it dropped. Did they buy back shares? Did they? That'd be shocking. Yeah, it looked like it came down. That's what I'm thinking. See, where do I find the dilution chart? I'm gonna see if I can find it. Y charts, Cybl outstanding shares history. Let me see if I can pull up the chart here. Maybe I shouldn't look up Y charts specifically, unless ChatGPT can tell me. That'd be great. Can ChatGPT tell me shares outstanding? Let's see if we can find some information. I'm pretty sure it went down. Cybl standing out. Shares history. Copilot. Is that? I don't know how to use it. Never mind. But no, we can't. Wait. Oh no, we can't see the historical data. I was hoping we'd be able to see it. No. Wait. No. Okay. No, it went up then, didn't it? Because. Wait a minute, am I crazy? Did that... Because Y charts is showing 5.99 as of December 31, 2024. So the implication here is that it went up? It didn't go down. It went up by a little bit. Is that what I'm seeing? So maybe it was... Yeah, I think it might have been the other way around. I think it went up, not down. I'm trying to find the information here. No, these are not. That's not it. That's not it. I hate when I can't find this information. Nope. I can't find it. What's this one gonna say? Because when I saw it, I was like, it looks like it went down, but I'm not sure. Like, was it 5.9 or 6.9? I thought it was 6.9 and it came down. That's what I thought. Shares outstanding 6.16 billion. Shares change year over year, 3%, 7% quarter over quarter. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just as lost as everyone else. But that was updated yesterday. So did it go from 5.99 to 6, or did it drop from? I don't remember. People are saying it's gone down. Cybl, to clarify these, since several of you are messaging asking, the chart won't rip on command. Yeah, that's silly. It's not gonna just go wherever you want it to. I agree. The chart is correcting and soon will be full. Yeah, it'll have its time again. That's just how these pennies. That's how they are. It's always the same story with these. I'm not gonna insult, but you know what I'm saying. Like Eyeless stock, a perfect example. Oh, it's over. Oh no, a boom. And here begins the cycle of, oh no, it's over, boom! I mean, I wouldn't want to buy something that just continues to trend down like this, but, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't. That's why I don't really care for Eyeless or AITX anymore. But Cybl, they already went through the worst, and they always bottomed out. Those other two don't bottom out. They just continue to go lower. That's the difference between Cybl and those other ones. They just continue to fall. Eyeless and AITX. Cybl, even in CE, it was holding even better. It was holding at a higher share price than AITX despite being in CE. I want you to think about that for a second. So, and I think it was higher than Eyeless at some point as well. I think this one's a beast, but people are going to be people, and if things don't go to the moon right now, they're just gonna run away somewhere else and chase something else. Then they'll come back and chase this. I would not bet against the Department of Defense. That's why I really like this one. It's proven itself, guys. It's already proven itself. I don't think I see anything else here with regards to... Yeah, I don't see anything with regards to the outstanding shares. I don't know if it went up or down. I can't tell. Was it 5.9 and then it jumped to 6, or did it go from 6.9 to someone let me know if you can find the information, because I couldn't find it. Anyways, that is it for the video. As always, don't forget to hit that. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is a buy. You're getting it 50% off from where I bought it at 007s. I believe we will go to 1 penny again. just like anything, give it time, be patient, be disciplined. It paid off then, it'll pay off again. And back when it ran to 6 cents, it was the same story. It was just going sideways and then boom, 6 cents. Are we going to get 6 cents again? I don't believe so. The outstanding shares, this stock would have to become a low float in order for this to be able to get that kind of movement. For those of you who know, you know. That's it for the video. Bullish. You got to hold on to it though.
Knowledge, the lessons are clear. Swinging these trays year after